You watching the game, Arden?
Oh, right down the middle. Edwin, you could have crushed that one.
He was taking all the way. Goober.
Stop. Arden, stop.
Oh, there it is! There it is! There it is!
Oh, yes!
Yes!
Oh, yes! Why? They won it on a wild pitch.
Walk off.
Wild pitch!
Walk off wild pitch. That's awesome.
Wild pitch! Not as cool as a walk-off home run.
That's
Walk-off
right.
run! Oh, wow.
Good base running.
Base running.
That was an awesome game.
I say game.
Arden, do you like the Blue Jays?
Blue Jays.
Say go Blue Jays.
Go Blue Jays.
My favorite team is the Toronto Blue Jays.
Blue Jays.